Welcome to the Victory Automatic presentation. Following the success of Victory World, which has already transformed thousands of lives, we are embarking on a new journey with Victory Automatic, a unique opportunity for even more people to participate in this transformation. Unlike Victory World, this new platform performs all functions automatically, avoiding problems such as people not updating the board, lack of response from participants, delays and operational failures. To register, you need a referral link. Request this link directly from the person who shared this presentation with you. Only one account per phone number and email address is allowed, preventing others from stealing your referrals. To invite someone to your team, use your referral link. All your referrals will always follow you on your boards. Your referral link is available in your virtual office. Earn 10%, the value of the board for each person you refer. Earnings are unlimited. The more referrals you have, the greater your earnings. Victory Automatic consists of 6 boards, and you start with just $2. This is the earnings spreadsheet, with you starting with just $2. The sum of 2 automatic cycles is $35,492. You earn a 10% commission on the board your referral enters. The more referrals you have, the greater your earnings. The board automatically organizes the order of recipients, with only one person in the center at a time. Every board has 2 sides. You only need to worry about your side. You start on the board as a giver. Once all the giver positions are filled, you advance to the builder position. At this stage, you will need to bring in 2 referrals below you. After reaching the master position, help your team continue the board cycle by guiding your referrals so that each one brings in 2 new referrals. In the leader position, you can receive up to 8 donations. To start on the automatic board, click the Add Balance button. First, choose the currency you want to use for the deposit. Then, copy the generated link and make the deposit. The network used is BEP20. Warning: if the network is incorrect, you may lose your money. To start on the board, you need to have at least $2. Pay attention to the supported currencies. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Validated by miners or validators, they prevent fraud and double spending, making the system decentralized, reliable, and censorship-resistant. After making the deposit, return to the board and click the Confirm Entry option. You will start on the board in the donor position. Board rotation. You advance on the board whenever 4 donors join your side. In this position, you must invite at least 2 people. To reach the leader position, your 2 invitees need to invite 2 more people each. In the leader position, you can receive up to 8 donations. In the first cycle, the order of donations is as follows. The first 4 are for board upgrades. The 5th is used to pay network fees and referral bonuses. The last 3 are available for withdrawal. Unlike Victory World, here your profits are higher. From the second cycle onwards, the first 7 donations will be yours. The 8th and last will be for the referral bonus. Donation clarifications. The first 4 donations of the first cycle are used for automatic advancement on the board. 1 donation per cycle is allocated to the referral bonus payment. The remaining donations are available for withdrawal at any time and without fees. Board upgrade. Upon receiving the first 4 donations, the system automatically advances you. Second board. Bronze. After receiving the first 4 donations, you are automatically positioned on the second board. Re-entry. After receiving all donations, you can re-enter the board and start a new cycle. This rule is not mandatory, however. The more cycles you complete, the greater your results will be. You can create new positions after being active on the first board. There are 2 options. Option 1. Create positions on your own board in spaces where there are no donors. Option 2. Create positions on your sponsor's board. In the first option, you position your account on your own board, wherever there are free spaces. In the second option, you directly follow your sponsor. There are 2 types of balance. Red balance. Blocked. Automatically used for upgrades or re-entry. Green balance. Released. Available for withdrawal at any time. After 2 years of Victory World and with over 500,000 users, we are launching Victory Automatic. A new platform with no fees, no mandatory re-entry, developed and designed in conjunction with the community. Share it with your team and start your financial transformation today.